just feels kind of strange and good sitting behind here after 30 years.
Yeah.
Hey guys, check out this 79 Trans Am that we did for Glen. He's out of Minnesota, but originally from Nebraska. This is a car that he's owned since high school, hasn't driven it since he graduated from high school. And now we did a complete frame off restoration, ground up, every nut and bolt, and got his car ready just in time for his class reunion that he is going to after he picks the car up the very next day. Anyway, check it out. Nut and bolt restoration. This is a great car. We did a lot of little fun things to it, but ultimately it's still the same look of what he had when he was in high school. Thanks, guys. It's yeah, definitely a fun process when you can drop something off and see it get finished up like this. And this car's been a fun car, fun build. Done very tastefully, and it drives out really nice. I think they're going to be pretty happy with it. So.
Yeah, have to. I won't be able to figure out where to put the gas in it. I know it's been forever since we've done that. Years. 30 years. I parked it in 1993.
Okay. Wow. And when did you, what year was it that you bought it?
83.
83.
Yeah, I was a senior in high school.
So 10 years.
Yep.
I bought it.
Yeah,
You bought it. That makes sense.
But that's the year he got it, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you live in Nebraska?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yep, they live in Nebraska.
And you grew up in Nebraska?
Yep.
Yeah. So what was the small town you went to?
Bender.
Bender, that's
Yep.
right. Okay. Did you bring a trailer or were you driving to them?
I'm driving it back.
Okay.
Well, before we go out, I was probably in here to as good a spot as any to get a picture and maybe with that Restore muscle car above us.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you put the Micro cap on there?
Yep.
They left it on.
I asked them to.
Oh. Interior looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Working?
Yep.
They have on here.
Their cameras are videoing us right now.
Huh? Oh,
You're on camera.
they're watching. Huh?
It just feels
What?
It just feels kind of strange and good sitting behind here after 30 years.
Yeah. Been a long time.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
Won't be able to back it up either without a backup camera.
Yeah. Well, you back up till you hear a noise and then you stop.
Yeah, they stop.
They sure have changed them anyhow. Easy to remember where they're at because it's one of the first time you can see the Capitol.
Oh,
Come over that hill. Well, at least they know how to do Trans Ams.
Nope.
Pontiacs, they've done a lot of them.
If you like this video and the other ones that we have posted, make sure that you like and subscribe and then hit your notification option so that way you get updated whenever we post something new. Also, you can join our website and our email list and get notified anytime we have new vehicles and products get posted to our website. Thanks guys, have a great weekend.